Hello, kids. Welcome to Rise and Raise. Today we will learn body parts. Are you ready? Let's start. This is the head. Say head. Head. These are eyes. Say eyes. Eyes. These are ears. Say ears. Ears. This is the nose. Say nose. Nose. This is the mouth. Say mouth. Mouth. These are hands. Say hands. Hands. These are arms. Say arms. Arms. These are legs. Say legs. Legs. These are feet. Say feet. Feet. This is hair. Say hair. Hair. This is stomach. Say stomach. Stomach. This is tongue. Say tongue. Tongue. These are teeth. Say teeth. Teeth. Let's say them again. Head. Eyes. Nose. Show me your hands. Great learning today. See you next time on Rise and Raise. Bye-bye.